Welcome to Bogglesox TV. We've got lots of classic and original TV shows. Subscribe now and enjoy the video.
Not the shrinking cat, Grandpa!
Catch me if you can!
Grandpa! No, be careful! Grandpa, stop! Grandpa in my pocket. Hello, I'm Jason Mason and I live with my family in Sunnysands. Our town is called Sunnysands because it's always sunny and it's by the sea. This is Mum and Dad's bike shop and here's Miss Smiley's cafe, which serves the best ice cream sundaes in the world. Then there's Mr. Whoops's shop, where you can buy anything and everything. This is my house, where I live with my mum, dad, sister, and Grandpa. I wonder what's in there. It's brilliant. It was Sunday, and my friend Josh had come round. Grandpa let us open his treasure chest to play with all his old toys. Hey, I love the boat!
This is an old favourite of mine. Monkey Albert. Hello, Josh.
Just then, Mum came downstairs.
Everyone, but I've got to dash out to visit Great Aunt Loretta. She's not feeling very well. But don't worry, I've sent for someone to come and look after you all. I don't want you to have to manage on your own, Grandpa. Can you guess who it might be?
No.
It was Bubbles, the babysitter. Hi! I'm so glad to see you!
Hello, Bubbles.
Hello, Grandpa!
Little did we know that today there would be trouble for Bubbles. Bubbles is always great fun. Sometimes we make things. Sometimes we play bat and ball. Sometimes we do face painting. And sometimes we act out Captain Dumbletwit stories. But today we were having a sing-song in the garden.
Place to be. It's sunny and it's sandy and it's right.
We thought we were in for a great afternoon.
From here
Just then we heard
you can stroll.
OK, I'll go.
someone was at the door. Bubbles went to answer it.
Scaredy cat, scaredy cat, scaredy cat. I'm Jason's friend Troy. I've come to play.
Hey, Troy's come to play.
I met your mum outside. She said that it was okay for me to come round since Bubbles was here.
Oh, she did she? Time I went for a little lie down.
I'll be right back, Josh. Grandpa, wait! Troy lives next door, and he's always invited himself round to play. He's very spoilt and he's very rude.
Na, 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 na.
He does things like this.
I want it. No, me. Give it here.
And this.
But I want to play with it.
And this. And he makes Grandpa say,
That boy Troy needs a taste of his own medicine. If he thinks he's going to scare Bubbles, then he's got another thing coming.
"Not the shrinking gap, Grandpa!" Grandpa, stop! You know when Grandpa shrinks, he can get up to all kinds of magical things. He can get into my car and make it go. He can ride on Gordon, my toy seagull.
Whee!
Not the plane, Grandpa! He can fly off in my plane. Grandpa, watch out! I'm the only one who knows that Grandpa shrinks, so it's really important that nobody else sees him. Grandpa, hide! I could hear Troy and Bubbles coming.
I'm coming to get you! Be ready for my I'm coming to get you! I'm coming!
Stop!
I'm coming! I'm gonna get you! I'm coming! You're in trouble!
Come back here!
I'm coming!
Stop!
Scaredy cat!
What's the matter? I don't like being chased.
Scaredy cat!
You should stop being mean to her.
Yeah, we don't like her. She's such a laugh. She's such a scaredy cat. Ha! This is a really rubbish monkey. But you know what? He might have his uses.
We knew that Troy just had to be stopped.
I'm not at all scared. I'm just fine. Deep breaths.
Careful, Bubbles! Watch out! Scaredy cat! Scaredy cat! It's not funny!
Oh, it's fine. I'm just being silly. Let's put Monkey Albert up here, shall we? Where he can't get up to any more mischief. There. Now, who's for a game of hide and seek?
So Troy had to count, and we had to hide.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I hid behind the sofa. I knew that Grandpa would have a plan, and he might need my help.
18, 19.
20!
Grandpa,
Troy went to Grandpa's bedroom door.
I thought you were having a lie down. Are you hiding?
Now I knew what Grandpa's plan was. He was going to try to give Troy a few frights because he'd scared Bubbles. And you know what Grandpa's like? If he's got an idea in his head, there's no stopping him.
Hey, have you got a battery inside you or something? No, you're just rubbish. Now, where is everybody?
I thought I should let Troy find me because Grandpa was going to need my help.
Ha! Found you, Jason. You're rubbish at hiding.
Grandpa had got Monkey Albert into the coffee jar with him. This was all going to go horribly wrong.
How'd you do that? I don't like it.
This time Grandpa had gone too far. Troy was sure to find him in the coffee jar.
That's it. I'm going to throw you into the pond. No! You're a horrible monkey.
No, you're a horrible boy. You're a big bully.
It's me.
The good news was that Grandpa had not been chucked in the pond. The bad news was that Troy was running around the garden yelling. Bubbles came out of her hiding place.
Oh, the monkey. It's alive and talked to me and everything. Honest, it's really scary.
You're just overexcited, Troy. Deep breaths now.
So Bubbles made Troy breathe in and out until he'd calmed down. I saw that Monkey Albert had gone, so I just knew that Grandpa was up to something else.
I'm so sorry I tried to scare you today, Bubbles.
Look! Monkey Albert's climbed the tree!
Oh, Jason! You must have put him up there. You are a one, you are.
It was you all the time, Jason. How did you do that? It was so cool.
Now, who's for ice cream?
Me! Ice cream!
Grandpa, jump down right now! I picked Grandpa up and put him in my pocket. And while the others were getting ice cream, I put him back down by his chair. Off came the shrinking cap, and Grandpa came back to his normal size.
I don't think Troy will try and scare anyone else in a hurry, do you?
No, Grandpa, I think you taught him a lesson.
I think we both did. Teamwork, eh?
Teamwork. When Mum came home, it was time for Troy to go.
Bye-bye, Troy. Take care now.
Anyone like to watch a DVD?
Yes! Hooray!
Captain Dumbletwit discovers a small planet just to the left of Pluto.
I'm sorry about Troy. Still, just as well you came, Bubbles. Grandpa would never have been able to deal with Troy on his own.
No, of course I wouldn't.
Captain Dumbletwit discovers a small planet just to the left of Pluto.
Scuttling, cuttlefish. They've recognised me talents at last. Want me to carry out a spot of piracy for 'em, no doubt. For £1,000. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Ah, there you are. Horatio Pugwash at your service. That £1,000,
Take him away! And that, my friends, is the last you'll see of him for a while.
Poor Captain Pugwash. Trapped by his own stupidity and greed, he lay in the deepest dungeon of the town jail, lit only by one small window high above him. The jail was by the very water's edge, and a mere 100 yards away, aboard the Black Pig, his shipmates held a gloomy council of war.
What do we do, shipmates? What do we do?
How's about we storms the jail and rescues him like?
Impossible. That prison's well nigh impregnable. Let's blow up twirls with gunpowder and blow up our captain sky high. No, Willie.
I've got it. There's the dungeon window, and the captain must be at about that level, right? We'll bore a tunnel to the dungeon at low tide.
But that'd take weeks.
No, quite a little one. We'll use this. You'll see.
It was 10 o'clock and dark, and the tide was right down when Tom and the pirates set off to rescue their captain.
Right. You keep watch, Willie. We'll start drilling. Dolloping, dolphins, what a din. Suppose I'd better try to get some sleep. Just a bit more. We must be nearly through by now. Oh! Well, I'll be scuppered. And if that's meant to be an escape hole, it's a bit small, even for my slim figure. But what's this? A note on the end of a stick? We'll pick you up at high tide. Hope you can float. And it's signed Tom. But that doesn't make sense. Back at high tide. What's the tide got to... Why, shuddering sharks! Help! They're flooding the dungeon!
Hey, Tom lad, The tide's flooding the drill hole.
I know, but the dungeon will fill up with water. I know.
And our captain will be drowned.
Oh, no, he won't. Not if he can keep afloat.
Help! It's cold! Help!
Now, all we do is wait till the dawn and the high tide.
Help! I'm freezing! Let me out! Why? Walloping whales! The window!
And by now, if I'm not mistaken, he must be nearly able to reach the window. Yes, there he is. That's right. Hold on, Captain. We'll soon have you out. Grab him, Master Mate. That's right. Eve! Eve!
And very soon the pirates had their captain back on board again, and the Black Pig was sailing away into the dawn. The crew boasted like anything about the heroic rescue of their captain, now asleep and snug in his bunk. But Tom was busy wringing out the captain's wet clothes. He said nothing.